Hi guys, welcome to EJAEE, your inflatable specialist. In this video, we're going to show you how to inflate your paint booth. Before you get started on inflating your paint booth, there are some precautions that you need to take. First off, you might want to at least have one more person assisting you in inflating and moving around and maneuvering the paint booth. You're unpacking and unfolding your paint booth, you're going to locate these two air vents. They come standard, one on each side. You're going to make sure that you zip up all the way. That way, when you inflate, there won't be no leakage of air. At the back of the paint booth, you're going to locate the air vent to hook up the blower. Each paint booth comes with standard 2 blowers, one for each side. To install the air vent to the blower, you're going to make sure that you find a little lip here. You're going to tie at the lip. That way you get a proper seal, and it also minimizes for air to escape. Once you have inflated your paint booth, you're going to see 2 air vents. One of them is optional and one of them is for your air circulation. Now what you want to do is make sure that you get that inflow going. So we're going to hook up the other blower. Since there are 2 vents, you could use either or, whether it's the one on the right or one on the left. It's pretty much up to you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative and would like to know more information on our products, you can visit us online at www.ejaee.com. Thank you.